Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. The first thing I want you to do is, of course, go to settings right there, click on Generals tab, hop on software update real quickly right there, and make sure you're up to date. You're gonna see iOS is up to date on your end. Now, if you're using a Samsung device, just make sure you're having the latest version of Android device on your end. It's the same thing, okay? Now, once you're up to date with that one, hop onto your Messenger, of course, and then go to settings right here. Click on your gear icon right there, and then as you can see, this should be the landing page of your settings, right? Now, once you're here, you need to click on privacy and safety. And then once you're in privacy and safety, you're gonna see an end-to-end chats right there and app clock. Please don't mind app lock as of now. Let's focus on end-to-end encryption chats. Now once you see this one, click on it real quickly and you'll see two options. You'll see logins and you'll see security alerts. So for logins, see where you can send and receive end-to-end encrypted message and calls. Let's go with this one first. Now, as you can see right there, this is my phone right now. So it is login for end-to-end encryption. So this phone can receive end-to-end encryption messenger. If I want to remove that, I want to go here first on security alerts. Click this, make sure this is toggled off, okay? Once this is toggled on, that means that I have end-to-end encryption in Messenger. To remove that one, simply toggle this off and make sure the login is still logged in. That being said, that's how you remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.